Welcome to Technology Channel International. In this video, I will help you to create game using AI. Okay, first of all, let's talk about what we are going to build. Okay, we are going to build game that is snake game. Okay, let's build snake game. Okay, there are multiple ways to build snake game. If you want to build web version, then you can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, if you want to build game in game for mobile, you can use Unity or Flutter. Okay, we are going to build in web version. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, I'll say create snake game using HTML, CSS and JS. Okay, I'll say create beautiful, and you can also write features. Okay, in features I'll say live score. In number 2 I'll say snack color should be green. Okay, and food color should be, I'll say red or something. You can write anything. Okay, and at the end I'll say give me full code in single file. Okay, and I'll click on region and hit enter. Then it will generate some code for us, and okay, I'll also go to one website. I'll say run online HTML. Okay, okay, here is our code. If you know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can also modify the code. If you don't know, then no need to worry, just copy and paste. If you have any problem, then you can ask here. Okay, okay, now our code is ready. I'll copy this one and paste it here and click on run. Okay, okay, here is problem. It already say game over. Okay, I'll say it says game over when I run this HTML code. Okay, here you can see game over, nothing happens, just game over. Okay, now okay, let's it will provide code again, and we'll just need to paste this code. Okay, now let's copy the code and see the output. What will happen? Let's see. Okay, I'll just copy the code and paste it here, and let me run this. Okay, now I'll press arrow key. Okay, that is good. Okay, Okay, game is interesting. Okay, that is good. And if you want to publish this game online, then copy this code and you need to go to github.com. Okay, first of all, go to github.com, and if you don't have account, create one account, and I'll say new, and I'll say snake game, and in description I'll say snake game using HTML, CSS and JS. Okay, and I'll say public, and I'll click on create repository, and here click on create new file, and right here index.html. okay, index.html, paste the code here and click on commit change, and okay, here is our code. That is good. And go to settings and go to pages, and here you need to choose a branch, that is main, and click on save. Okay, it is okay, main and save. Okay, after some time, if you reload, then it will provide you one link, and when you click on that link, then you can easily play snake game. Okay, finally here you can see the link. Okay, when I click here, then I can easily play this game. This game is really nice. Okay, my score is 2. Let's play it again. Okay, okay, in this way you can create a game using AI. If you have any question, then please comment below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. See you.